All right, hello and welcome to my channel, Light Street Creations. My name is Rich, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So today I want to talk about successful craft shows. What constitutes a win? And what I mean by that is when you're packing up, getting ready to drive off, and you've done your day, what do you consider a success or a failure? Now, there's a million different ways to gauge what you consider a success. If you have fun, if you made your booth fee back, if you've done $1,000, $500, if you've done a multiplier of the booth fee, if your booth fee was 20 or 50 or $100 and you've done 5 times or 7 times or 10 times your booth fee, that could be considered a success. I know I'm not supposed to be saying but I'm doing this in one take, and you just got to bear with me. Oh, by the way, if you like what you're hearing, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. So my personal opinion when it comes down to it, a successful craft show is what you want. It's all relative. It depends on what you want to be successful. If you just market yourself and you get your name out there, that might be a success. If you pass out 50 business cards, if you get 10 people or 20 people to sign up on your mailing list, if you get 5 times or 10 times your booth fees, or if you just have a number that you want to hit and that's it. You say $200 or $500 and you hit that number and you're happy with that, that's a success. If you just want to make your booth fees back and have a nice day, a chill day, that's a win. So it's all relative. I know a lot of people ask the question, what do you consider a success? But it's relative to what the person is doing. Somebody that has been doing craft shows for 10 or 15 years and they've been doing them almost every weekend or every weekend, they're going to do a lot better than somebody who's just getting started. You might have that lightning in a jar where your first or second craft show you do really well and you just blow it out of the water. But keep in mind that the playing field isn't always level, and some people are going to do really well and some people just aren't going to do well. If you have a well-planned event, if you have nice weather, if you have high foot traffic, all of those things are positives. If you make jewelry and there's multiple jewelry makers, or if you do knitting and there's multiple knitters, if you have people next to you that are selling yard sale stuff, which it might not be a craft show, it might just be a vendor event where they let yard sale people show up, or they let MLMs show up. When I say MLMs, I'll get into another video about that. But all in all, it's to wrap this video up, it really depends on what you want, what you consider a success, or what you consider a win. I say have fun, pick out a number, pick out a way, pick out something that you want to make your standard or set your bar at. And then as you progress and as you do more and more craft shows, increase your goal, increase your amount, increase your satisfaction rate. Whatever it takes, just constantly progress as a crafter and you'll meet your goals. And that's all I have to say. I hope you like this video, and let me figure out how to turn this thing off.